Hey there, hopefully in this video, we can demystify content marketing for you because maybe you're like, okay, I get it, but I don't get it. Like, what is content marketing? And more importantly, how do I do it efficiently and effectively so I can sell more stuff? So my name is Brian Brewer. I've been in the content game since 2012. So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of start with the general overview really quickly. And then we're going to get into specific examples of how to create content on different platforms so you can drive traffic, generate leads, make affiliate commissions, and basically get results as efficiently as possible. Because the last thing we want is to spend a bunch of time creating content and not make any money. So what is content, right? Well, content is a post on Facebook. Content could be a YouTube video. Content could be a blog post. Content could be doing a TikTok, right? Basically, we're just creating something. Now, the reason we do this is we need to attract attention. So there's basically two types of content. Content that is designed to get organic traffic, and that's the content that I just mentioned, the social media posts. You could also consider content like a Facebook ad as well. Well, with the Facebook ad, it's very simple to get our content in front of viewers. We simply pay Facebook and they essentially force our content in front of people. However, if we're thinking of content marketing, there's a good chance we're thinking about organic, right? The benefit here is we can get free traffic just by simply investing our time in creating content. And this can help us, especially in the beginning, achieve profitability. Now, the cool thing about content also versus like paid advertising is when you attract people organically with your content, conversions are going to be so much higher. So once again, content, as I mentioned, is a social media post. It's a YouTube video. Really, the main purpose, which people don't often talk about, is to attract attention, right? Like that's the main purpose in the beginning. We need to get people to discover us. We need to get people to slow down for a second and listen to us. We need to get people to be interested in learning more about what we have to offer. So one of the easiest ways to do that, one of the best ways to do that is either to A, show some results that you've achieved, or B, to actually help people. So I think kind of the long game here, and especially if you're a beginner who maybe hasn't seen those eye-popping results yet, content is best created with the educational mentality, right? We want to help people. So this kind of brings up the first stumbling block. Let's give specific examples now. So for instance, I'm an affiliate marketer. I promote other people's products. One of the main products that I promote right now is Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is essentially marketing education. So when I refer people to Legendary Marketer, they start by going through a challenge. They have the opportunity to buy more marketing education. Basically, they learn how to become better marketers and then in turn market high ticket affiliate products, right? So really, Dave Sharp and Legendary Marketer, they're the experts on teaching you, really, if we just get down to brass tacks here, they're the experts in teaching you how to make money online. So as a content creator, as someone who was promoting this product, what kind of content would you want to create? Well, you would want to create content that attracted people who are interested in making money online, right? So let's say I've made $30,000 over the last month with affiliate marketing. If I show that result, that's going to attract attention, so I can incorporate that into my content to attract attention. But if you're a beginner, you're not going to have that most likely. So what do? Well, you teach people what you know, right? And that becomes your content. And once again, we'll get into more specific examples in just a minute here. So the easiest way to do this is to learn, do, and then teach. So for example, if you're promoting Legendary Marketer, they're teaching marketing. They're teaching high ticket affiliate marketing. So one of the first things that you might learn is what exactly is high ticket affiliate marketing. So that's phase one. You learn that. Then you know what high ticket affiliate marketing is. Maybe you do by joining a high ticket affiliate program. So the third step of that is to teach. So maybe you go onto YouTube and create a video What exactly is high ticket affiliate marketing, or high ticket affiliate marketing explained for beginners, right? So that is an example of a piece of content that we might create in order to attract people who might be interested in the product we're promoting, right? To summarize, we're promoting high ticket affiliate marketing. So if we created a video on YouTube that said high ticket affiliate marketing explained for beginners, that's a perfect match, right? That's congruent. And that's the whole idea of content. We want to attract our ideal customers and basically repel or forget about everybody else. So that's what's great as a beginner is you can create those pieces of content that revolve around things that you just learned at a beginner, because that's going to automatically tell you that other beginners might be interested in this, right? I mean, this will work with anything. Like if you want to promote a tennis coach program, like an online tennis program. Well, if you're just learning tennis yourself, you can then teach the basics of tennis on YouTube. And guess what? Someone who's interested in learning the basics will probably eventually then be interested in buying a tennis program that's going to teach them more advanced skills, right? See, that's the thing here. Whether it's learning how to play tennis or learning how to make money online, you don't have to be the expert, right? So in my example, legendary marketer, Dave Sharp, they're the experts. So even if you're not an expert, you can promote the legendary marketer products, because you just have to get people to the point where they're ready to buy in to the program. They're the experts, right? So you just have to get people basically to the starting line. That's how simple it is. So if you answer questions like what is affiliate marketing, or even what is the best way to make money as a beginner, or hey, you could create a story about yourself. You could say, hey, here's how I made my first ever dollar online, right? Or, gosh, I struggled for 3 years and finally found a business model that made sense. And then the content that you create is going to be introducing them to the opportunity that is affiliate marketing. Because while you might not know what affiliate marketing is if you watch this channel or you're in this group or whatever, most people don't, but they want to make money. They want a side hustle. They want to work from home, right? Especially now with everything that's going on. So you just have to get people to the point where they're ready to go seek out the experts, and that's when you make the commission. Now, we already talked about YouTube. The best way to use YouTube is to treat YouTube like a search engine, because YouTube is the second biggest search engine behind Google. So create content that people are searching for. Don't say, my name's Brian, right? Didn't say Brian's advice or Brian's 5 tips for affiliate marketing, right? Because no one's searching for Brian's 5 tips for affiliate marketing. But they are searching for things like Legendary Marketer, because there's a buzz. So if you're promoting Legendary Marketer, then video number 1 should be my Legendary Marketer review. And then start, once again, thinking about the questions that people would ask. Okay, part of Legendary Marketer, and the reason Legendary Marketer is such a great affiliate program to promote, is because they have an excellent value ladder. So there's another video. What is an affiliate marketing value ladder, and why is it crucial to your success, right? So someone who might hear the term value ladder somewhere else, they might go to YouTube and say, what is a value ladder and why do I need one? Well, what if they found your video and you were like, here's what a value ladder is, and you need this with your affiliate partner, and the best value ladder and affiliate partner that I found is Legendary Marketer, right? They're going to be automatically targeted for your offer. So that's how you create content on YouTube. For instance, like TikTok, that's more about attracting attention. For TikTok, I like to use a hook story offer approach, because TikTok is not a search engine, right? So we're not gonna go after search terms, but what we want to do is attract attention, because we're going to get in front of some of those scrolls, especially on TikTok while it's a new platform. We're going to get some play. And if we create a video that attracts people's attention and gets them to watch the video, guess what? TikTok's going to show our video to more people. And that's how we build an audience. Then we can drive people from TikTok onto our email lists, into our Facebook group. Hey, we can even introduce them to our YouTube channel to help grow the YouTube channel faster. So TikTok, a hook story offer. This will be my last specific example, and then I'll let y'all get back to your day here. Hook story offer. So Legendary Marketer. They teach digital marketing. You can also promote their products as an affiliate. The good thing about Legendary Marketer is they have high ticket products. First and foremost, they're excellent products. The Affiliate Marketer's Business Builder Blueprint, fantastic product's going to help you immensely, worth its weight in gold. But when you promote that and other people buy it through your link as an affiliate. Like if you're the affiliate promoting it and they buy through your link, you're going to get $1,000 commission. So that $1,000 commission, right? That's a hook. So maybe you're creating a TikTok and you're like, the text on top is, want to make $1,000 commissions, right? Because that's a hook that attracts people's attention. Then you go with the story, and maybe you're doing more text, or maybe you're just talking on TikTok. Awesome. Let me introduce you to high ticket affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products, and so you can get started fast. You don't have to create products, right? That's the story. Or, hey, guess what? I discovered high ticket affiliate marketing a year ago and it changed my life. That's a story, right? You can use that hook over and over and over again. Want to make $1,000 commissions? Want to earn $1,000 per click? Hey, guess what? I did low ticket affiliate marketing for 3 years with Amazon. Now I do high ticket affiliate marketing and everything changed. Or, gosh, it's so much easier to sell $1,000 product than $1,000 products, right? Those are all examples of quick stories. And then the offer is always, hey, go check out my bio and click on the link to come join the 15-day challenge, or check out my bio and come check out my YouTube channel while I'll teach you the basics, right? That's hook, story, offer. So that's how you want to differentiate between the two platforms. If it's a search engine, attack searches that people are actually searching for by leveraging the buzz of the product that you're promoting. That's why you don't want to promote obscure products, by the way. Or if it's something like a TikTok where you're just going to be presented in a feed, hook, story, offer. Guys, that's how you create content to attract your ideal customers, bring them into your brand. Then you continue to build trust with, guess what? More content, and then you make the relevant offer, and that's how you make sales. And if you want to join Legendary Marketer, which is my #1 recommended partner right now, there's going to be a link in the description, or you can go over to my15daychallenge.com to get started. Join the Online Business Builder Challenges. That's step 1 that we all go through, and then complete the steps of the challenge, which is what most people don't do. Then you'll be on your way to becoming a high ticket affiliate marketer. We'll see you in the next video. Bye now.